How can a 220V LED light bulb work on 110V?
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. Do you have the manufacturer number of the bulb? Thanks.
These are 220V 5050 SMD LED corn light bulb. I don't have it with me momentarily but will later. Got it on eBay from Japan and accidentally ordered 220V instead of 110V bulbs. The question posted above is not the question I asked. I wanted to know how to convert this 220V bulb to run on 110V. On the bulb it say it will, but none of them light on just 110. I've had them running on 220 to see if they worked. They ran well.
Okay. Most bulbs are specific to a voltage because of the internal resistors that are made within the bulb at the factory. Some bulbs will work off a varied voltage and others will not. The manufacturer's number allows to find the specifications associated with that particular bulb. This is not something that can be modified, it is made that way at the factory. If you can post a link to the seller's page of the bulb, I can try to find the necessary specifications. There are many sold on eBay, so need to know the exact ones. I buy off eBay as well, many from China for the low price and free shipping.
I now have the light and there is no manufacturer's name or number on it. I can tell you the board has a 0.47 microfarad capacitor and an 824K 250V resistor. There is a polarized 4-contactic, very small, and a surface-mounted resistor with 104 on it.
I appreciate the information. Unfortunately, I would not be able to correlate it to the bulb's operating voltages. I will opt out and put your question back on the board for other experts who may be able to assist. Thanks. To reply, the site will notify when another expert makes a post. Hello. This is Ken and I will try to provide some additional assistance. LEDs are current-driven devices, and are generally supplied with power from a constant current supply. At the very least, a resistor is used in series with the LED to prevent it from drawing excess current. Providing that your LED's internal circuitry has only a capacitor and a resistor, and no active devices, there should be a diode somewhere. Then you would do the following: you would need something to measure the AC current from the line when the device is connected to 220 volts, or see if the packaging or even the device itself states a current, which should be a fraction of an amp. With 110 volts, you are looking for the same current as you had with 220 volts, so you will need a smaller resistor. The easiest way to find this value would be by trial and error. Start with a resistor which is half the value of the original, so 412K, and then remeasure to see if the current is as it should be. If the current is too high, you will need a larger resistor and vice versa. BTW, 430K would be the closest standard value available. Again, this information assumes there are no active components in the circuitry. Otherwise, this should work for you quite nicely. Regards, Ken.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.